Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to publish WordPress websites on Google. Publishing your WordPress website on Google starts with making sure it's visible to search engines. So head to your WordPress dashboard, open Settings, then Reading, and confirm that the option to discourage search engines from indexing your site is turned off. Next, register your site with Google Search Console by signing in, clicking Add Property, and selecting URL prefix, making sure that the address you enter exactly matches your site's URL, including HTTPS or www if applicable. After that, verify your ownership and using the method that works best for you, whether it's adding a provided HTML meta tag through an SEO plugin like Yoast or Rank Math, uploading an HTML file to your site's root directory, or using an existing Google Analytics or Tag Manager setup. Finally, submit your XML sitemap by installing an SEO plugin that automatically generates one. Then navigating to the sitemap section in Google Search Console, entering your sitemap URL, and submitting it so Google can efficiently discover and index your pages. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.